Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to write a program using Python programming language to show the concept and principles of polymorphism that will ask the user to give two numbers, and then the program will ask the user to give what operation to perform, addition or subtraction, using the plus and minus sign, and the principles of object-oriented programming in Python programming language with the use of polymorphism principle. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. We will just have a walkthrough on the code now. So we have here the class math operation, and then we have a function, base class default implementation. We have passing parameters a and b, return 0, and then we have here a class that will perform addition. So perform addition, return a plus b. For subtractions we have here, and then in if name operation none, we have two variables, num1 and num2. We have a title of our program, addition and subtraction using polymorphism in Python. Num1, we are asking the user to give first number, num2 second number, and then op for operator, we will ask the user what operations that the user would like to perform. For example, for symbol plus, it will perform addition, minus will perform subtraction. If of plus, it will call the function addition, else if subtraction, and else if does not belong the plus or minus, it will display invalid operation. And in calling the output here, result, end of program. Thank you for using this program. Okay, so let us run the code. Right click in RPyCharm, run polymorphism, the name of our file. Okay, our program is running right now. Addition and subtraction using polymorphism in Python. Enter first number, let's say we have 4. Second number, we have 6. Now enter the operation. Let's say for in this example we have plus for addition, so the result is 10. End of program. Thank you for using this program. Another example, let us run again. Okay, let's say we have new set 8, we have 9, and then by this time we choose the dash sign for subtractions. So 8 minus 9 will be result in -1. End of program. Thank you for using this program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on addition and subtraction using polymorphism in Python programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.